got two teams kind of going in opposite directions. The UT men have won their last 3 games. BG coming off a loss in Ohio on Tuesday. So which one will come up on the upper hand? And the Falcons playing a little bit short-handed in the part 1 of Battle of I-75, taking in the action at the Stroh Center. First half, Rockets' Raheem Moss grabs the rebound, goes coast to coast for the hoop, and draws the foul as well. Rockets open up on an 8-0 run. BG, Brenton Mills to Trey Diggs for 3. Count it. Diggs just getting started, though. Falcons down 5. Daquan Plowden finds Diggs, top of the key. He's just not missing. His 6th triple of the half, and he wasn't done yet. Diggs in the corner, eyes it, flies it. 3 is good. Falcons within 5. Later in the half, Falcons, another triple, ties it at 41. Turner this time. But in the second half, the Rockets get back into the correct orbit. Ryan Rollins finds Cedric Milner, takes off for the one-hand slam. Rockets up 69-54. A little bit later on, it's Keyshawn Saunders to JT Shoemate. Knocks down the mid-range jumper. Toledo up by 13. And then the same combination. This time it's Rollins, though, to Shoemate in the corner. Toledo wins big, 91-78. Britt Del Barba joins us now from the Stroh Center with more.
The Battle of I-75 men's basketball edition, and let me tell you, this one didn't disappoint. It was truly a tale of 2 halves. The first belonged to Bowling Green and forward Trey Diggs. The Falcons without 6 of their players, including starting center Joe Reese. However, Diggs stepped up and lived up to his name as he knocked down 7 threes in the first half. Diggs was silenced in the second as the Rockets and JT Shoemate took over. Shoemate led all scorers with 29 points as Toledo pulled away to take round 1 in the Battle of I-75.
I thought from start to finish, our energy, our execution was great. Defensively, I thought we were really good. They got back in the game. You know, to be honest with you, it was more them than it was. Though it wasn't like we played bad defense. Diggs just got it going. Offensively tonight was good. We moved the ball. Obviously, Shoemate was incredible.
You know, you can kind of feel it in warm-ups and maybe your first couple shots if you're going to be hot some games, and just feeling it.
We couldn't practice on Thursday, and one day to prepare for Toledo and all the things that they do is always difficult. And you know, we did a good job of preparing for them. We hung tough in the first half, and you know, it's a game of 2 halves, and we didn't do what we needed to do in the second half in order to win the game.
Round 2 is set for March 4th inside Savage Arena. Reporting from Bowling Green, Britt Del Barba, BCSN.